Kailangan ba talaga ng katawan ang glucose? So the answer is yes. Kailangan ng katawan ng glucose. Kung kailangan ng katawan ng glucose, how does it happen na may mga community members tayo, for example, who are not only doing low carb, pero talagang pure carnivore, karne ang kinakain, protina, wala namang glucose, paano sila nakaka-survive? Bakit buhay pa rin sila? Bakit hindi namamatay ang mga tao in spite of either going low carb or really going no carb? Ito po ay dahil sa ang katawan ay may capacity to actually make glucose. For example, yung pagkain na kinakain ninyo, wala siyang glucose doon, wala siyang carbs. So mainly protein na lang siya and fat. For example, right? Sa carnivore, it's mainly proteins and fats. So ngayon, bakit napupunan pa rin yung glucose requirement ng katawan? Kasi those mga raw materials na yan that are coming from the proteins and the fats can be transformed inside the body into the glucose that you'll need. Ganun po katalino yung katawan. Kaya yung mga nagsasabi na mga hindi pa masyadong gamay itong lifestyle natin, sinasabi, paano yan, mamamatay na lang. That's not true po. Your body has wisdom. It can transform certain raw materials into what it needs. So in this case, yung glucose ay maaaring gawin from other components na hindi naman carbohydrates. So in this case nga, proteins and fats. Ang proseso na yan ay ang tinatawag na gluconeogenesis. Ito ang paggawa ng bagong glucose. Glucose, neo, bago, genesis, paggawa. There are raw materials na gagamitin ng katawan mo, and ito mga raw materials na ito eventually ang magiging yung final product, which in this case is glucose. So yes, kailangan pa rin ng katawan ang glucose. Your brain, even though it can survive sa ketones, it needs glucose, then it consumes around 30% or so. Although very versatile ang brain, it can survive on ketone bodies. But there are other organ systems sa katawan mo that will need glucose. So yung parts ng mata, parts ng kidneys, parts ng red blood cells, they need glucose talaga. And so the glucose that they require are coming from the transformation, yung biochemical na proseso kung saan tinatransform nga ng katawan mo yung other raw materials na hindi naman galing sa asukal, hindi galing sa carbs, pero gagawin niya itong bagong glucose. So that's the mystery. Maraming nagsasabi, Dok, paano na yan? Pag hindi tayo kumain, paano yung glucose? Right? Your body can make it. Hindi kailangan mangamba na hindi ka kumakain ng carbs. Karamihan natatakot, Dok. Nakakatakot po na wag nang kumain ng kanin o ng tinapay, ng noodles kasi paano po yan? Paano kami mabubuhay? Yan po yung sagot. Paano kayo mabubuhay is your body can make the glucose that it needs.